Look, right there. Stand. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
How do you sneeze?
How do you sneeze?
Shoot!
One more time.
Do it again. Do it again. Alright, Gaby, come here. You do it.
Gaby, you do it.
Go over here, Ryan. Gaby, stand over here. You ready? Alright, do it again.
One more time. One more time. Hey, Gaby, what's a rooster say? Say cock. One more time.
What's the rooster say? Yeah. Can you show him your dimples? Yeah.
Hey, go show me your dimples. Good job, baby.
Alright, Ryan, you ready? Show me your dimples.
Hey, what's a rooster do, Ryan?
Hey, what's a cow say?
What's a lion say?
What's a pig say?
What's a rabbit do?
What's a frog do? Ribbit, good job.
Good job, baby.
Let's see. Hey.
What's a horse say? What's a sheep say? That's close.
Can you say purple?
Did you say poopy?
No, can you say purple?
It's close. It's close.
Let's see.